So without taking much of your time, let's get into the video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and thumbs up. I can't even talk, like okay. So as I was saying, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section, and let's get into the video without taking much of your time. So first we have to do in my case is remove my glasses, even though I don't see a shit without the glasses. And we remove this, and I got this. I'll put up the video. So I bought this wig cap in red color in a Chinese shop just for €1, and it's a 2-in-1 cap, cheap and affordable. So when you open it, it comes like this. So you can actually see they are 2-in-1. Yeah. So we have this is a random wig cap. I decided to get it in red, doesn't matter the color. So yeah, I'm going to put back my glasses because I'm not seeing anything. I don't see anything, and I don't have a lens yet. Sorry guys, I had to mute the video because there was a lot of noise in the area I live. So what I did was divide the scarf into 2 and place it over my head and position it to the angle I want it to be, and we proceed to our tying. As you can see, you have to tie your knot really well and position it in the angle you want it to be. So when you're done with the front knot, you proceed to the back knot and tie it well in order for it not to fall out. And yeah, that's the finished look. So this video is going to be in 2 languages because I have 2 different types of audience. Este video va a estar en 2 idiomas porque tengo 2 tipos de audiencia. So all I'm trying to do is have a neat finishing. Entonces lo que intento hacer es tener un buen acabado. Good digging and it's on to the neck. Later we can go and cop a neck. This give me loving with the makeup or the rest. You know me ring your button, yeah, you know me press. So this is the final result. Good for the body, make it good for the body. Esto es el resultado final, como podéis ver. Good for the body, good for the body. This is the second head scarf. So all we're going to do is divide the scarf into 2. We're going to see it further. So yeah, all I'm doing is removing the first scarf and we proceed to the second one. Entonces lo que estoy haciendo es quitarme el primer pañuelo de pelo y ponerme otro, y lo que vamos a hacer es dividirlo entre 2, así es más fácil de manejar porque el pañuelo es un poco grande. Like always, you have to position it to the right angle of your face and proceed on tying and so on and so forth.
Lo que vamos a hacer es posicionarlo en el ángulo o lado que queremos que esté el nudo y proceder a atarlo y bla bla bla. You need patience and strength for this procedure. En este proceso necesitamos fuerza y paciencia. So we proceed to our twisting, like how you twist your braids. Así que procedemos a nuestra torsión. Procedemos a nuestra torsión como haciendo unas trenzas. So when you're done with the twisting, you take it around your face like a crown. Cuando hayas terminado con la torsión, tómalo alrededor de tu cabeza, como una corona. So all I'm doing is putting the scalp under my head. Lo que hice es poner el pañuelo debajo de mi cabeza. Así tiene un acabado limpio. This is our final look for the second scarf or head tie. Esto es nuestro look final del pañuelo de pelo. Fatima wabi wafi di kami. With the trekking we are wasting and talk me. It to soft, it to stocky. Konji, their body still moving. One just shocky, their body still tempting. Boya doggy, your monkey na something. It to BG. Oh yeah, just soapy. Switch the mix on the mix. Oh yeah, Kevin Dre on the beat. Go funny. I want smugglers, don't care. I want biggest. Their brain is so small, but their body they run things. Bellu, they cost Konji. Ferrari and Bugatti, you Bambi. Jima Sunko, body is slow. And small girls with big God, that party will hobby. So this is the next one. This look you're about to see wasn't planned. It occurred to me while I was recording this video, and I was like, wow, this is not a bad idea. It looks so creative. So why don't I share this with my darling subscribers? I hope you love this look in as much as I do. Este look no fue planeado, se me ocurrió mientras grababa este video y dije, no es mala idea, es un look creativo y digo, no es mala idea compartirlo con mis suscriptores y espero que os guste como a mí me haya gustado. Ups, se me ha caído el pendiente.
Small girl with big God, oh. I know say you like sugar daddy, oh. If I know do tonight, oh. I don't know when I go to again, oh. Drop my money, Konji. Do what you like, Konji. Talk anyhow, Konji. Touch my body, Konji. When I take my money, Konji. I be one Ferrari, Konji. I say this Benz and Bugatti, Konji. Anything you want, I'll get, Konji.
It's sweet, the mix. It's magic. Switch the mix.
So this is the fourth look with the same scarf. I so much love the scarf. It's so beautiful. Like the yellow is so nice on my skin. And ignore the wig cap. You see, it blends with the type of turban. You'll see it further.
Oh my gosh, it's Kevin Dre's production.
Este es el cuarto estilo de pañuelo. Me encanta este pañuelo porque es un color que favorece a mi tono de piel. Y ignoramos la gorra de peluca que sale al final
concuerda con el pañuelo y casi no se nota, la verdad.
Body they do me like King Kong, baby assassin so. Body they hold me like jigsaw, assassin so. Body they vibrate like chainsaw, baby assassin so. I feel I go to some massage.
Make my body vibrate like chainsaw. Open your back like screenshot. Baby,
this is the fifth and last style. Esta es la quinta y última manera. La verdad es que hay miles de maneras de atar tu pañuelo de pelo. Estos son, digamos, maneras más fáciles y menos complicados. To be honest with you all, there are millions of ways of tying your turban scarf. Let's say this is some simple ways of tying your head scarf that won't take much of your time and you look all pretty as usual. Este es el resultado final. Espero que les haya gustado el video. Dale like y compartir y suscríbete a mi canal. Gracias y nos vemos hasta pronto. We've come to the end of this video. So if comment in the comment section below the scarf or head tie or turban you loved more in color or styles, and don't forget to share, like, thumbs up, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, bienvenido, bienvenida, welcome, and just feel at home. Feel at home because this is about to be juicy. Anyway, welcome to the family and thank you for watching my channel and videos, and bye. Hasta la vista. See you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Always remember to unlock the goddess in you. Yeah, I said what I said. Always remember to unlock the goddess in you, because you're bossy, you're beautiful. Be you human, God, a man, whatever you are, unlock the goddess in you. And see you in my next video. Bye. Hasta la vista. Ciao. Ciao.
We have finally come to the end of this video. Hope you love my the different styles of head ties and or turban and the colors. Comment in the comment section the colors you loved more or the head tie you loved more. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye. Ciao. Hasta la vista. So we have finally come to the end of this video. Hope you loved the kinds of turban I recreated. And don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, and if you are new to my channel, you're welcome to the family. And oh, I forgot, and always remember to unlock the goddess in you. Yeah, I said what I said. Unlock the goddess in you. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye. Hasta luego. Oh my God.
If you want to see how the styles look on pictures, follow me on my Instagram at Miss Cole. I'm sure you must have all seen my username on my outro videos. Si queréis ver cómo queda estos estilos en fotos, seguirme en mi Instagram @MissCole. Estoy segura que muchas veces habéis visto mi nombre de usuario en los videos. Y muchas gracias por ver mi canal. Y no olvida de suscribir, dar like y comentar. Y compartir con tus amigos y amigas. y espero que te haya gustado. Hasta luego, chao.